Hello and welcome, this is ExplainDad, and this is a tutorial on how to remove your lock screen app on Android when you forgot the password. So let's get started. So first and foremost, open up your Google Chrome or any other searching app that you have or browser. Tap on the search icon and then type on Google Find My Phone. So after that, just scroll down until you see the Google search one. In this case, this one that I'm about to type. So here you should be already logged on and make sure that your account that you want to remove your lock screen is already in here. So tap on the device that you want to remove the lock screen on. In here, let's say this one, the Vivo one. It will also show up the location of your device if you're ever wondering to. They will prompt you to put up your password again if you want to remove it. So there, they will also like to have the confirmation one. And that's about it. You just remove or erase the device, factory reset, or remove the lock screen. And that's it. It's explained that, and that's how to remove your lock screen app on Android when you forgot the password.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on ExplainDad.